धीर प्रशांत नायक सामान्य गुणयुक्तस्तु धीर प्रशांतो द्विजादिकः. This Nayak is calm. The heroes who break into this type of Dhira Prashanta are Brahmins or Vaishyas. There are also selected characters like Charudatta and Madhav who are art lovers. Charudatta, the protagonist of the play Mruchakatik written by Shudrak, and Madhav, the protagonist of the play Malati Madhav composed by Bhavabhuti, fall into Dhira Prashanta genre. Some people are of the opinion that Yudhishthir, Lord Gautam Buddha, are also broken in this way. S.P. Vijay Kumar is a Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi performer from Madras, Tamil Nadu. He is truly blessed to have trained under the eminent and celebrated gurus Sri Narsimhachara and Srimati M. Vasanta Lakshmi. He has performed at various stages, both solo and in group. Since 2004, he has been traveling to the United States to conduct workshops. He is an A-grade artist of Doordarshan. He has many performances and lectures, demonstrations to his credit in India and abroad. He is felicitated with many prestigious awards. Some of them are Natya Ratna and Nritya Shiromani Award. Please welcome S.P. Vijay Kumar. This episode is from the story of Mahabharata under the chapter Yaksha Prashna. As it happened, Pandavas during their exile stayed in a forest. 4 brothers except Dharma went out to drink water and approached a lake where they decided to drink water. They did not return even after a long time. Dharma left in search of them and he found his 4 brothers dead near a lake. He questioned what happened to his brothers. He heard a voice from heaven stating that his brothers ignored his questions and drank water from the lake. After listening this, Dharma said he would answer these questions, and there are 124 questions asked by Yaksha. Dharma answered all the 124 questions to the satisfaction of Yaksha. Yaksha said he would retrieve one among the 4. Dharma said he survives for the progeny of Kunti, and for Madri's line he requested to retrieve Nakula. Dharma stood for justice, and the disguised person now took the form of Yamaraj and blessed Dharma and retrieved all his 4 brothers. Here, our performer will portray Yudhishthir, that is Dharma, as Dhira Prashant.